Alright everyone, we're here at a Chevron gas station with an Autec EV-1, and we're gonna do a close-up view of it. You can see it in there right now. There's a Tesla that's gonna go through it. Tesling, that's a funny license plate.
I like that.
So we're gonna wait for this dude to be done, and then we're gonna go through it. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so let's walk through it now. Here's the pay station. It's got, one of these old classic brand ones. Please tell me in the comments what brand pay station this is, but...
You have selected the Super Car Wash. Please deposit $8. You have selected the Ultra Car Wash. Please deposit $10. You have selected the Premium Car Wash. Please deposit $12.
I have no idea. I'm bored. Here's the signage. Chemical tire applicators and undercarriage. Here's the rear brushes. Here's the other one. This used to be something else. I'm assuming this actually used to be a laser wash. So you got that. Here's the Autec Intermountain West, and then the Evolution logo. Overhead boom, high pressure spray nozzles, stuff. Here's your signage, oh my gosh. Here's your midder curtains, photo eyes, and rocker blasters. Not sure why it's all yellow right here, but it is. Here's your front brushes. Look into the core of the brush. It's so muddy. Here's the other one. You got your wall of foam. Old, no idea what this is. Old treadle, yeah, treadle, bug buster, external photo eye, spot-free rinse arch, and here's your signage. And then here is your superior dryers, and yeah, let's go through it now. About to head in. And here we go. How was it?
I thought it was good. It was very thorough, and the dryer was awesome.
Oh yeah, dryer did a really good job.
Yeah. I love this car wash.
Yes, I agree.
It's like my favorite in the city. Like inside the city limits, I should say.
Yeah, I agree. This is a great car wash.
Yes.
Also, there's a dry timer. And yeah, that's the car wash. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That'll be it.